In this video, we will show you how to filter a keyword list using Excel. You can also click on part 2, which explains a faster method to filter keyword lists, or click on the link in the description. Using Excel, the first thing we want to do is to exclude certain words from your keyword list. These are words that are likely unrelated to your page. To do so, select your keyword list and then click on Sort and Filter in the Home tab. Then click on Filter. An arrow icon will appear at the top of your keyword list. Click on it to change the filtering settings. To exclude certain words, go to the Filter text menu and click on Does Not Contain. In the first field, enter the word you wish to exclude and click OK. Now that we have removed unwanted words from our keyword list, you should select a decision criteria. This is where you will customize your filtering according to your needs. For this example, we will decide to filter keywords according to relevance score, search volume, and organic competition. Notice that the values for each criteria are very different. In our case, the maximum value for search volume is over 300,000, but for the other criteria, the maximum possible value is 1. We need to normalize the values so that our formula works. Insert a new column next to the criteria you wish to normalize. In the first empty cell, type an equal sign. Then, click on the first value. Type a slash sign and type in the maximum value for the criteria. Press Enter. The value now is normalized. To apply the formula to the entire list, click and drag the small square at the bottom right of the cell until you have reached the end of the list. Our decision criteria is shown on the right. Each criteria is weighed according to importance. Express each weight in decimal form and make sure that they add up to 1. Click on the first empty cell beside your data. Type in an equal sign and then click on the first criteria you wish to use for the first keyword. Type in a star and then type in the criteria's weight. Then type in a plus sign. Repeat this for each criteria. Then press Enter. This calculates a score for that keyword. To apply the formula to the entire list, click and drag the small square at the bottom right of the cell until you have reached the end of the list. Now each keyword will have a score according to the criteria you have set. You can sort the keyword list by that score from highest to lowest. To find out about how to filter keyword lists using a faster method, make sure to watch part 2.